Dispatch desk design tips for personal comfort and productivity. Since dispatchers spend long hours at these workstations, ergonomics and desk comfort are critical. Comfort and efficiency directly impact performance in these workstations, so the dispatch desk setup, climate control, and surrounding factors must be optimized. 1. Provide an ergonomic chair and desk. The furniture in the dispatch center greatly determines how comfortable and productive dispatchers will be. Recurring pain due to an uncomfortable chair or desk can lead to distractions, reduced productivity, and even absences from work. Ergonomic workspaces are important because they prevent repetitive motion injuries, lower back pain, fatigue, and other forms of physical discomfort. 2. Properly position office supplies and equipment. Office supplies and equipment should be easily accessible to maximize efficiency. You should consider the positioning of items to ensure they are within reach but not so close they cause distraction or cluttering. Paperwork should be organized and quick to access because delays in dispatcher response could mean life or death. 3. Install personal climate control systems. Regulating heat and airflow for every workstation is the best solution to keep every dispatcher attentive and comfortable during their long work shifts. Specific solutions include filtered air fans that circulate room temperature air, built-in console fans, and separate standing fans. These personalized solutions also prevent frustrating thermostat wars in the dispatch center and reduce workflow disruptions associated with temperature variations. Want to learn more? Read the full article at airinnovations.com.